Hey guys, so don't mind the look, as you guys can see. Oh man, I'd look worse if I have my hair up. So I am going to do a quick unboxing for Morphe, and oh my god, my hair looks horrible today. Oh gosh. Okay, so if you guys are wondering about the makeup look I just did, that I have right now, doing a makeup challenge, so I didn't take it off just yet, so I figured, okay, I'm gonna go live with blue eyeshadow, and mind you, it's the first time ever doing blue eyeshadow, so I don't do it often. It was a makeup challenge, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna participate because, you know, it's out of my comfort zone. Am I going to post it all over the place? Probably not. Other than just going live here, I figured if you guys are gonna make fun of me, you're gonna make fun of me. I really don't care. So I am going live doing a Morphe unboxing, and I hope you all like it. I think it's Morphe. Yeah, it's Morphe. It is. But yeah. So if you guys have questions about anything, let me know. So the first thing I grabbed out of my box here is the Morphe Black, Make It Black Continuous Setting Spray. So I've been wanting to try the setting spray for such a long time. I just never had the chance to go and get it. So this is what it looks like. Kind of smells good. And probably should not have set my face, but whatever. It's nice and cooling. I like the feel of it. So I'll give it a try definitely tomorrow whenever I go live in the morning. But yeah. Here is my receipt. Doesn't have any of the prices on there, which is fine. But it feels like that setting spray made like my look more dewy, which is fine. I don't mind the dewiness. Alright, so the next thing I had ordered through Morphe are two of the foundations, the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. I got two different shades, which is medium 13 and medium 15. I think this is definitely not going to be my shade, but I wanted to try it because you never know online, right? And obviously, I mean, this probably will be closer to my thing, my color. But yeah, this week is gonna be really busy. I don't even care if I rip it. Really busy with a lot of try-ons and all that stuff. I do post stuff on the influencer app, just because, I mean, you never know these days, I guess. Oh, okay, so it doesn't look as yellow as I thought it was going to be. But, I mean, I'm also starting to tan. Okay, so this is what the bottles look like. I have tried the, oh, is that supposed to be like that? I thought it was a pump. Aha! Okay, it is. It is a pump. I just twisted it, and I wasn't supposed to do that. Okay, it's okay. Whoops. It's okay. I'm not mad about that. So, this one is the medium 15. So, let's give this a quick swatch. Medium 15 is right on my wrist. Okay, it is like a little dark. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. I have horrible lighting. Okay, hold on, you guys. Okay, and then this is medium 13, and oops, I'm already starting to make these bottles dirty. It's okay. Okay, so here they are. Horrible swatches, but let me see if I can help you guys out with it. Okay, I'm gonna... Alright, there we go. A little bit better. Not much. Okay, much better. So here are the two foundation shades that I have. I have 15 and 13. 15 is the top, and then 13 is the bottom. This is what they look like. Alright. As I make a mess. So, I mean, you guys already seen my e.l.f. unboxing. Now you guys are seeing my Morphe unboxing. I like to try to not only do makeup lives, I like to do unboxing lives. So it could be unboxing lives from Morphe, or it could be BoxyCharm, all those things. Alright, so the next thing is, as well, I got the Nikita brush set, which I've been wanting to try that as well. I'm so excited. I've seen these around everywhere, and I've been wanting to try these out. I've already tried the Oasis. I love them. And plus also, I'm a brush fiend. So I'm so excited. So these are all the brushes I got in the set. I've got blender brushes. I got an eyebrow brush, packing brush. Oh yeah. Probably be using these tomorrow. So flippin' excited, you guys. Oh, and see, okay. Yeah, they're nice. They're like really nice brushes. Like not too hard, not too soft. Right. So yeah. Those of you that are hopping on, I am doing a live Morphe unboxing. I just got done with a makeup challenge, so this is the first time ever doing a blue eyeshadow look. It's horrible. I'm sorry. But it was the first time ever doing it, so I don't really care. I did have eyelashes on, but the eyelashes were like way too long for my eyes, so I have to like snip them up a little bit. So, but those of you that are just hopping on, I got some foundations. I got 13 and 15 because I wanted to try them out. Luckily, like I just got over like the oiliness on my face, so I'm hoping that these will be good because I've seen reviews on YouTube. I was watching them last week, and they are not very good with oily people, and I have like a combo skin, so it depends on how my face is, and I have been very oily. Like I haven't had my period, but I think it might have been that time of the month whenever I was supposed to have it. And then I also got the Morphe Make It Black Continuous Setting Spray. So I'm excited to try this out for tomorrow. I'm definitely going to try out the foundations as well. Usually I try to go live and do unboxings, and also makeup lives as well. Alright. My next thing that was just here is the eyelid primer. So I've heard some good things about this eyelid primer. Usually I just use concealer because, I mean, what's the difference? So I got some eyelid primer, and I'm going to also try this out as well tomorrow. I have to get a new band for my Fitbit because the little strap is starting to like tear. And that's the one thing about Fitbit. like I'm having problems with like the little strap right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there. And I was like, oh gosh, I have to get a new one. Alright, so I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I got the Nikita. Has anyone ever tried the Nikita palette before? I've heard good and bad things about it, and I'm like, oh man, I really been wanting to try it just because of how the shades are, and I really like the packaging, and I thought it was really pretty. I just got rid of the box because I'm not going to use the box. So I was like, what's the point? Like, seriously, what is the point? Oh no! It broke! Oh no, I have to contact, I'm gonna have to contact Morphe about this one. So right here, it's like a, oh wow, yeah, I'll have to, maybe if I like press it in, it might be okay. Oh, it's a really pretty color. Look at that. And that's the shade that's actually kind of broken. I really want to try this color right here. Ooh, look at that. I'm excited to try that too. Oh man, I'm so excited, you guys. Here's a purple. I really like purple. Oh, love. It's so cute. I love it. Oh man, I love eyeshadows. You guys, like, it's just like one of those things. Like, I've grown really fond of eyeshadows. I have to clean up like my brushes and stuff just because I had used a bunch of brushes today in my with my live today. And then also, not only that, I also used brushes just now to try this look out, and yeah, I'm just telling you guys that those Morphe, I mean, it is a really good, like, really good palette. I used the regular James Charles palette today, and I really like it. It's just it's just really bright. Alright, so I also got, I think it's a little bit newer. It's 39A. So I got this palette, and I thought it was really pretty just because of like the oranges and like all the like the neutrally colors, and I think they look really pretty, and I am super excited to try it out. Look at that color. Super pigmented. And it's like a shimmer green teal color, so I'm excited to try that. I'm trying to like go in out of the box and stuff, and oh, look at that. I'm super pumped to try these out, you guys. And that is all for today, you guys. So I hope you all like this live. Sorry it's like out of those things, like if you were expecting like pharmacy, honestly, I love pharmacy to death, but sometimes it just gets boring to just do, you know, like just pharmacy products. So I like to like go off in a tangent and do other products. So I will see you guys all very soon. I was going to do a skincare live, but I figured an unboxing would be perfect to do. Tomorrow I probably will. So I will see you guys all tomorrow morning, and have a good night. Bye guys.